Look at this 2006 Nissan Frontier. It's not so much the condition that I want to show you. There was something rather amazing that I noticed from it when I started it up earlier. And it's the transmission. This one happens to have a screwed torque converter. You can hear what I mean. Watch when I put the camera outside, you're gonna hear the whine. Now watch when I put the truck in drive. It doesn't want to go anywhere. It's like it takes off on second, but it has no force. Look, no reverse. This is so fucked. I fucking have it floored. Yeah, this thing barely has a drive. But yeah, this is so fucking funny. I know that Nissan has a recall, I believe, where the coolant actually slips into the Tranny fluid somehow. I don't know if that's the case in here, and it fucked up the torque converter. But I must say that every single Frontier and Pathfinder that I have started up, they all had this kind of strange whine to them, which to me I always felt it was a torque converter. But it's likely normal operation, but this one is just fucked. This one's for the history books. This truck has 118,000 miles, by the way. You can still hear it whining. See if you guys can hear it. Again. You can see it's coming from the center, so it's obviously a torque converter thing. Yeah, let's shut this piece of shit up. But yeah, it was a fully loaded Frontier, but this thing's a junker. Bug damage from the love bugs having sex all over the place, and people just don't wash their cars. Chipped on the fender, rusted a bit here, so the fender needs to be done. This bumper needs to be reworked. Surface scratches everywhere. And this won't buff out either. The nail stops actually on it, so that's a scratch that won't buff off. This section here was painted. It's wavy. Look at that bumper. It's missing its cover. More scratches. Ugh. Whoever buys this thing easily has to put at least $2,500 into it.